Hello guys, welcome back to Multimagic channel. In the previous videos we introduced you to our awesome new interns. As you know, they have just wrapped up their first sprint, but to be very honest, they did an incredible job, like tackling their initial task with great enthusiasm and skill. Now in this video, we are diving into sprint 2 where I'll walk through the tasks they'll be working on, and I'll also share some insights into their goals, and I'll give you a sneak peek at what's coming up in this module. So stick around to see how they are leveling up, what are the challenges they are going to, what are the challenges we have ahead, and how they are going to contribute to our products in a big way. Now let's get into it. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the preview management module. So if the preview management module, the package what we are going to give them in sprint 2, if they run this package, they are going to see this screen as the initial screen, where it makes some sense, right? So there is a login screen. So without having any functionality or login functionality and all, basically we haven't implemented the backend yet, but we don't want to make or we don't want to get the kind of just clicking on that login kind of navigate into the dashboard. That we don't want that kind of feeling. We need the feeling of the exact login mechanism. Okay, for that what we have done is we have implemented a small surprise, that is mock API. Okay, we have written a mock API. You have to run this first, and then you have to run the package what we are going to give you. Then only you'll be able to log in, and you can see this dashboard. Okay, so initially we had the default route what we had set for this dashboard is the sample page. It'll actually show you that we are going to this is pretty colorful, right? So it shows that we are going to follow a specific theme this time. Okay, so here we have this hamburger icon which actually helps a user to expand or collapse the sidebar. This is the view when user collapses the sidebar, and this is a view when user expands the sidebar. Okay, so if they click on this preview icon, preview menu, they'll be landed to this page where they can see these two icons, that is Apple and Android. Okay, so and also here we have a small settings icon, that is also one of the surprise. If a user clicked on that setting icon, so basically what we will see is it will expand a right sidebar. We'll get another toggle option, toggle sidebar, that is the settings sidebar, where user can set his own settings, custom settings. Okay, like some people likes the dark mode, some people likes the light mode, and some people don't want the color which we are following. They can customize their whole dashboard and they can use it in that way only. Okay, so let us play with the dashboard first. Let us see how did we get how did we navigate it till this point. Let us play with some of the controls, and after that let us discuss about the tasks they are going to perform. So these are initial layout which they are going to see, that is a login screen. For this, what I told you that we need to run the backend mock API, right? So this is the mock API which I already ran. So if I click on this login, it navigates to this sample page because that's the default route, right? So if I click on this preview, so this is what they are going to see. And here, as I told, we have this settings icon. So if I click on this dark, it is going to show the dark mode. And if I click on this, you should be able to see there the colors are changing, right, in the preview option. And the contrast is for if you see this card is looking very plain, right? So if we click on this contrast, there's a small shadow kind of 3D image kind of, right? So that is this contrast option. And here we have the default sidebar is expanded. Now we wanted to make it as a short navigation menu kind of. Okay, and we have the menu orientation is vertical now. Now if you want to make this horizontal, you can make it out. And here, do you want the container view or the fluid view, and do you want to customize the fonts also? Okay, so these are the options we have. Soon or now or more, I mean now or far away, or maybe in future, what we'll do is we'll add some more controls too. Okay, now let us dive into this module and let us see what they have implemented for us. If I click on this Apple icon, so here we are going to see some icon sizes, I mean different types of devices, iPhones and iPads. So if I click on this iPhone 12, it is going to display iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone SE, and iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, so on. So for Android, that is also same. We have tablets, we have phones, and we selected some options, right? But so far we haven't done anything like by clicking on this, we are not actually displaying the iPhone 12, right? So we are not actually showing the actual device. But what we are trying to do is, that is what I'm going to talk about the task, what they are going to perform. I mean, let me not reveal the secret, what they are going to display here, okay? So let us discuss that through the task itself, okay? Coming to the task 1. So they have this initial dashboard, initial module, right? If a user clicked on this, I don't know why I captured these all images in dark mode. Let me see. Give me a second, guys. Okay, the stroke is white. Okay, if a user clicked on this Apple icon, you guys saw this, right? We have iPhones and iPad. Let us assume that a user clicked on this iPhone 12. Okay, so here we are displaying the iPhone 12. Instead, what we wanted to do is, yes, instead of this, we need to display the selected device as iframe. Okay, so basically what we have to do is, user clicked on the device, instead of just displaying the text of the device which he selected, we need to display the size of this device. I mean, we need to display the iframe with the size of that device. Okay, that is their task 1. Coming to the task 2, what they have to do is display the website inside this iframe. So basically for this module, we are sending a prop, that is website URL. What they have to do is, they have to display that website inside this iframe. They have to display that website inside this iframe, so that user will get a feeling, a real feeling, that he is actually seeing his website inside the mobile. Okay, though it's an iframe, but he will get that feeling, right? And coming to the task 3, what this team have to perform is, they have to add a small icon here, question mark icon. So if a user hovers on this icon, so what we should show a small hint or a small tooltip kind of, where pull down the website in the iframe to refresh. So we have a website here, right? Okay, so we have a website. If I bring my mouse here, and if I pull down this website, okay, then the website should get automatically refreshed or reloads. Okay, so that is what I am trying to tell you. So in third task, all they have to do is, they have to just add this icon and that small hint or a small tooltip one, and coming to the other task, website should reload again. Okay, so I try to explain all these tasks in this single screen itself, but we have divided that into modules, and we kept finally what we are going to do is, website should be able to reload if a user pull down. Okay, so yep, that is what their tasks are. These are the tasks they are going to perform in sprint 2, and hope they are going to perform with the same energies and same skills again. Yep, that's all for the video. Thank you so much. Happy coding, happy learning. Bye bye.